Hello student, welcome to the Center for Distance Education Shivaji University Kolhapur. I, Dr. Rupali Sangpal, Course Coordinator MBA, Center for Distance Education Shivaji University Kolhapur, and we are going to learn about our paper Business Law, and in that paper Legal Aspects of Business of General Unit First, and the objectives of today's interactions are: at the end of this session, you will be able to understand the object of the law, understand need of knowledge of law, and understand concept of mercantile or business law. The object of the law is maintain law and order in the society, socio-economic development of the society, establish safety, security, and order in the society and the legislature, enacts various social welfare legislations for the benefit of various sections of the society. Then there is a question in our mind that why there is a requirement of knowing the law. So let's understand the need for knowledge of law. One must acquaint oneself with the necessary knowledge of law so as to avoid getting entangled with some difficult situations later. Every business has to be operated within the legal framework laid down for carrying out business activities. There has to be full compliance of the various acts that are applicable to the business activities. The need to learn law is also to see to it that business relations are kept smooth and that business commitments are honored. It would also enable a businessman to calculate risk in a business and help in making his cost benefit analysis. After knowing the need of knowledge of law, let's learn meaning of mercantile or business law. The term mercantile means trade or commerce. It denotes that first branch of law where the subject matter is related to a mercantile or commercial transactions. Second, it deals with the contractual situations and the rights and obligations arising out the commercial transaction. In general, one can say that mercantile or business law means applying set of legal rules for trade, commerce and industry. So, the students, today we learn about the business law related concept of business law, then the knowledge of why we required knowledge of business law or any type of law, and the object law. Hope you understand today's lesson and see you in the next session. Thank you.